Hello and welcome to the Salon Edit. Today we're working with the wonderful Abuah. How are you, Abuah?
I'm good, thanks.
Good. So we will be working with Flora Curl products today, which I'm really excited about. Have you used them before?
No, I haven't.
Okay, well you're in for some amazing experiences. The products are really nice and they're going to make your curls pop. I mean, your curls are popping now. And this is what a wash and go for. How long has it been? About
A week, yeah.
Okay. So I'm about to get started and I'm really excited. Are you?
Very.
Let's just do it. And once it's all completely covered and saturated, we're going to cover her hair with a plastic cap for about 8 to 15 minutes. We've just washed off the clay and let's have a look at what your curls look like. Amazing. Lovely. Fully cleansed. You see some definition as well, which is really nice. We haven't even got any product in it, no oil, nothing, just washed it out. Beautiful. So now we're going to follow right up after that with the superfruit hair oil, which is going to lock in that moisture nicely and protect her hair from drying out. And with these products, the little goes a very long way. My styling product of choice is the Flower Garden hair butter. It's really concentrated, so definitely use a little bit and section your hair as you go. It will definitely get you the results that you want. Done with the finger coiling, we've moisturised and we've styled. How does it feel?
It feels so good. My hair just feels really soft.
Lovely,
There's no
doesn't it?
stiffness to it.
Absolutely no stiffness whatsoever.
Great, it feels incredible as well.
It feels really soft, the curls have so much movement, not greasy, not crunchy, and this looks like it's going to last you some weeks at least. We use the clay wash, the hair oil, and the concentrated hair butter to achieve this look. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this little hair tutorial and we look forward to seeing you at the next edition of the Salon Edit.